Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. If you've wondered whether using Instagram Reels makes sense for your business or whether it's too late to jump into the Reels arena, hopefully by the time you've finished watching this video, you'll understand why you should use Instagram Reels 2021. But before I forget, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real-world help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. By the way, if you want to know my recommendations as to how to grow your Instagram business account this week, then you should check out my recent video, How to Grow Your Instagram This Week 2021. That video is going to help you understand what it takes to grow on the platform this year, not using last year's advice. So be sure when you're done watching this video that you check that other video out. Let's get right into it. Reason number 1, easy organic reach. Yeah, Instagram Reels has been around in most parts of the world for about a year now, but if you were thinking that it's too late to jump into the short form content marketing arena, especially on Instagram, thankfully it's not. But I wouldn't wait too much longer if I were you. I'd aim to create a reel, which is a video that lasts up to 1 minute max, on the daily or as close to that as possible. Why? Highly produced video content isn't necessary to succeed right now with Reels. You can't even make a reel longer than a minute, so you're not going too crazy when you think about it. You can cover your daily Instagram content marketing base in a basic way very easily to stay top of mind with your followers and people who should be your followers via the algorithmic suggesting out of your Reels in the Explore page. But most importantly, you're going to get some sweet bonus algorithmic reach on Instagram overall, more than pretty much any other piece of content type. Instagram's algorithm is going to give you priority treatment for playing with its Reels-based creation tools because it wants to be competitive with TikTok. Think about it. Every time Instagram has a new sticker for stories, it does well. It gives you more of a boost overall for a bit. And after, a while, the extra algorithmic boost, no matter how much you originally enjoyed, gets reduced, or put another way, there's a sunset or a reduction in reach after a while. That could still be when it comes to Reels, but not right now. Reason number 2, double platform power. In short, if you used TikTok in the past, you'll have Instagram Reels creation down pat in like minutes. That's how similar the two are in terms of creating content. Take the raw 30 to 60 second video you saved to your camera roll and pull it up into Instagram to create a reel. When you're done, do not repurpose that finished reel by bringing it into TikTok or vice versa. You could get a content strike from either platform. Why? Just because a sound effect or song that is licensed for use on one platform doesn't mean it's licensed for use on another platform. So yes, you can reuse the raw video footage in your camera roll on 2 platforms, but not the finished product that becomes published as a reel or a TikTok. Otherwise, you do not have to shoot 2 raw videos, right? And if you're careful, you can cover Instagram Reels and TikTok with your short form content marketing strategy very effectively because you could explode on one or both platforms. Right now, short form content is still anybody's game. Make sure you have a nice long caption on your Instagram Reel. You can't have one of those on TikTok though. Even a tweet on Twitter is longer than that. But on Instagram, you have 2,200 characters for your captions. Just make sure you've got a nice keyword-rich caption and that in that same caption, you've also used all 30 hashtags to optimize the reel even further. Holy moly, all of that extra boosted algorithmic reach to your followers, all that extra likelihood of ending up on the Explore page for however long to be seen by those who should be your followers but aren't yet, and you can index each reel for search up to 30 different hashtag feeds on Instagram. Yes, go for it. Reason number 3, doubled Instagram content. You're not just publishing in the Instagram feed when you publish a reel. You can publish that piece of content as a feed post too. Just leave the button that's toggled on located at the bottom of the publication page for the reel. Leave it toggled on so that you can cover both the Reels sector of your Instagram business account and your feed post sector too. There you have it. This to me is why you should use Instagram Reels 2021. Need more direction? Okay, be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.